When you go through vicious battles, there is a need to know as to why. When your finances are being drained, there is always a reason to find out as to why. I was eager to know as to why that the children of Israel were given to their enemies. But I found out something, that they had forsaken the ways of the Lord, and they fell into adulterous spirits, and also pagan spirits, and murder. And shortly, then everything, they lost everything. They lost favor with God. I wondered to myself when I was going through the scripture, it seems like they had very short memories. How did they forget their religion, their faith? How did they forget their history, their culture, and their identities? No matter how blessed you are, never forget the Lord your God. Let me say it again. No matter how blessed you are, stay with God. Never walk away from God. Whatsoever God gives you, whichever blessing that comes your way, God is not blessing you so you don't come to church anymore. God is blessing you so you can be more comfortable to seek Him. So whatever blessing God gives you, stay with God. Tell somebody, stay with God. That is the biggest secret. These people were blessed, they forgot God. Remember that it is He who gives you power to create wealth in the book of Deuteronomy. So whatever we do in this life, sometimes it has consequences. So let us not be ignorant, because ignorant can be very expensive. Today